Hi, my name is mtDNA. Today is our topics. Why is most mitochondrial inheritance in mammals maternal? So let's get started. Most mitochondrial inheritance in mammals is maternal because mitochondria are passed down from the mother to her offspring through the cytoplasm of the egg cell. During fertilization, the egg cell contributes most of the cytoplasm to the developing embryo, including the mitochondria. In contrast, the sperm cell only contributes its nuclear DNA to the embryo. Mitochondria have their own DNA, called mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, which is separate from the nuclear DNA found in the chromosomes. Because the egg cell contributes most of the cytoplasm, and therefore most of the mitochondria, the offspring inherit the majority of their mtDNA from their mother. This pattern of inheritance is known as maternal inheritance or maternal transmission. It is a relatively simple and straightforward process that has been conserved throughout evolution. However, there are rare cases where paternal mitochondrial transmission has been observed in some species. Overall, maternal inheritance of mitochondrial DNA has significant implications for the study of evolution, genetics, and inherited diseases, as it allows researchers to trace maternal lineages and identify potential genetic causes of diseases.